Your legendary DXVR lens. It's 18 to 55 f3.5 to 5.6. Wow, look at that. It's a great lens. It's a little zoom lens. What's nice about it, you got the auto manual focusing. It has the silent wave motor. SWM provides accurate, quiet, high-speed autofocusing. The ED glass element minimizes chromatic aberrations for superior optical performance. 7-blade rounded diaphragm produces natural, out-of-focus highlights. This is a great lens for your Nikon series, including the 7000, 7100, 7500.